everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Sometimes people they say bullying no they exist for place of work. That is not true. Bullying they exist. Like my company or the company I used to work before. There was one lady, she bullied me to the extent, even if I did sleep safe, I go dey dream, they see this lady. The something come be like nightmare to me. So one day I just decided, I said, no, it's all over. Wait, she terrorized me to extent, even if I hold something like this for my place of work, it could be like say I dey shiver. So there was one day, my first day at work. You know, no matter how you dey, even if you get experience, there must be somebody wey go teach you, say, see wetin to do, see how the company dey exist, see wetin you go do, see how you go place this thing, or see how you no go, or wetin you no go do. Somebody dey wey must put you through for everything you do there. No matter how experienced or intelligent you dey, there must be somebody wey must put you through. Okay, when I gain employment for this company, I don dey work before. That was not my first place. So this lady, when they ask say make it put me through, this lady come be like nightmare to me. She dey terrorize me. Any little thing I do, oh my God, she go dey mock me. So the first day or during our break time, so I sit very close, not close to her. She just asked me, say, no, leave, shift. You know that kind of thing. So when I look around the rest lady, the rest workers around, so they were all laughing. I said, why these people they laugh me like this? So that thing don't make me day okay. So I just pick up my food, my breakfast, my lunch box. I sit outside, just outside the company. So after the break time, the worst. She asked me, she said, if I know, she said, I'm not good for the work. He said, I dey make mistake because this thing has something to do with code. No matter how, even my next village, I don't know the code. So, and if you miss the code, so the package will go different direction. So this time, no matter how, somebody the way must tell you, say, see this code, see the direction when they go. So now this lady, she just, she misled me, she misled herself. Go say, no, this code now here they go. Now she don't let me know the right thing. When I come, she said, the person went in front of me, because he called me, he said, look, you dey make mistake. Then she just said, she asked me, say, if you not fit, why they employ you? Because you fit, that make they employ you come this company. And now you dey make mistake. With a loud voice. If then the supervisor here called, come say, no, see, I don't make mistake. And this thing, the insurance day, but then the company go lose because the packets go different direction. So the company will have, now the company go pay for the loss of the package because I did miss the code. So when I look this, because they will give you list of where your package go and how to place the slip on the things. Okay, that was my first day. The second day again, the lady started again. He said, look, you know they change your breakfast. It don't mean say because you take toast bread or they take coffee for your breakfast, me too go do that thing. No, wetin I take, nothing you go take, or wetin you take, nothing I go take. Everybody gets how they or wetin they like for their breakfast or their lunch. Everybody gets wetin they like or wetin they fit to take. So the next day, that is my second day at my place of work, the lady did the same thing again to me. You know they change your food? You know me. Now wetin I like to take. So the lady start to bull me. They shout on me, they insult me, they call me names, you know, something like that. Then she get to, I put this thing like bodyguards. I took bodyguards, they just they laugh. Who did they laugh? Not they don't they laugh me, like I said, they laugh themselves. They laugh over their stupidness, their stupidity. That was what they were doing. So then the third day again. So at the end of these days, so my husband called me, say, how was my day at work? I say confused. I did confused. He said, how would they confused? At least it's not my first time or my first place to work. What I was say? He said the first day I said I did confused. Second day, he said, how you go they confused for 3 days? I say, look what in this one lady did, the way she dey bull me. I say, I not fit imagine. I say, now I not fit do nothing. Even any little thing I do, just like that. So the thing too much for me. So I not fit again. So my husband say, maybe with time, everything go dey okay. Maybe with time, the lady go change towards me. He say, all place, any newcomer, say na so the thing dey always dey be for some place or some for work. I say, okay. I say, but mark you, like I said before, this is not my first time of working. So the third day, it was like that again. The fourth day, I could not bear it anymore. So I just went to the bathroom. So I just picked up my phone. I started calling. So I couldn't explain to my husband. I said, no, I'm not sure I will fit come back again. The bullying too much. I said, look, to extent, I did make mistake now. Even the codes, I know they fit replace the code again. I said, now even the supervisor don't take note, don't ask me. Now something that I would never think of that is happening now to me. So that must say, that word get as a bit. You say, why I use that word? I say, now something when I don't fit imagine say go ever happen to me. And I don't work for big company where pass this one before. Say, but why come? You see that they don't give me list of the code? I say, yes, but I don't fit. Because of the way the lady, they always bull me. So this was, I was discussing this issue with my husband on phone. The lady just walking. Oh, you did bathroom. Instead of you to dey work, you dey here dey talk for phone. So the insult was too much. She almost punched me at place of work. So with that noise so the supervisor heard. She came and she said, okay. But the supervisor not say nothing. All what she said, he said, okay, he just asked me to leave. Then he told her, he said, look. He said, enough of all this. Enough. That was what I heard. Enough of all this. It's getting too much now. Enough. I heard the supervisor telling her. So I left. The fourth day, I just told my husband, I said, look, no, I'm not going back to that company again. No more. After 3 months, the 4 days I worked, they refused to pay me for the 4 days. After 3-4 months, surprisingly, my phone rang. When I pick up the phone, I don't know. The number, they strange to me. So somebody called me. So after I picked up the call, so we talked, after some time, talking. So she said she would like to see me so that we talk more better about this issue. I said, look, anything to do with that company, or to go there, or to even go closer to that company, I will not do that. So I explained to this lady. She said, please. Why she called me was that this lady had problem with this lady terrorizing the company. Why they refuse to stop this lady? Because she gets fixed and permanent contract. If they stop her like that without no reason or something like that, she will sue the company, and the company will have to pay her. So because of that, they didn't find reason or something to attack to stop the lady, because many workers don't stop that company just because of this lady. So when he fights this newcomer again. So now one of the workers gave her my number to call me as a witness. So I told her I will not do that. The company, they refused to pay me for the 4 days I work. But why then now, after some months, they'll come call me to be witness? This is not something they're supposed to do long ago. Many workers don't stop that company because of this lady. So I told this lady, I said, no. If anything I could do, but to be witness or to come to that company again, I will not do that. So, like I said, bullying, not only school, Bullying dey exist anywhere, any place. Bullying dey exist. Sometimes you go dey fear, like the way the lady terrorize me. Even when at home, I go dey think of the company, I go dey shiver. I almost lost my senses just because of that lady. So thank you, viewers. If you love my video, just give me thumbs up. Subscribe me. So have a blessed day. Thanks.